The third type of array is called the pathway array. This tool will array objects along a given path. That means you can copy different things in your drawing along a defined line or a polyline, spline, arc, etc. Let's say that we want to plant some of these bushes along the outside of this movie house here. We have 20 of them ordered, so we need to plant them all, equally spaced. The plants will need to be planted 60 inches away from the foundation of the building. So let's use the offset command. And we're going to offset a distance of 60 inches. Enter. So pick this line and offset it here. Now we're going to use the pathway array. We select the object that we want to array, press enter, and now we select the pathway, which is right here. As you can see, it drew our plant all the way around. Now, how many did we say we had before? We had 20. So let's change the number of items to 20. Well, in order to do that, we have to change the type of path array that it is. Right now, it's set up to be a measured array. That means it's drawn all these lines at a measured distance in between them. And however many it needed to fill in that area, or that length in this case, it did, and it chose 30. And it's at this 102 distance. Well, we don't want it to be measured. We want it to be divided. So that says then it will put in however many of these bushes that we want, and it will equally space them out for us. So we come back here to the items column and we type in 20 items and press enter. And it automatically spaces them out to an equal distance all the way around. We didn't have to try to figure anything out at all. Now you can change the number of rows, just like that, and change the distances between them, just like with the other array commands. And again, you can change the levels. You can align the items. As you see here, as they go around the path, they're automatically rotated, so they're lined up with the pathway the exact same way the first one was. Or you can turn that off. This will keep them orientated the same way, just as if you picked it straight up and put it straight down without moving it at all. And you can change the Z direction, and this has to do with a 3D path, which you can't use in AutoCAD LT, but you can in regular AutoCAD. You can adjust the total distance if you want to shorten it up somehow, or you can adjust the distance between. But again, you have to be in the proper mode. So I can change the distance between here to 120, and it will automatically put in the number of items that I need.